Good morning! Yay, I'm so happy you're here. Roll down onto your back to begin for this morning 10-minute yoga flow. Bring one hand to the heart and one hand to the belly, allowing the hips to passively open here. Every inhalation, expand the belly up into the hand. Every exhalation, soften, release, relax. On your breath in, feel your belly rise, then your heart lift. On your exhalation, see where you can let go of tension in the shoulders, jaw, forehead, and hips. 2 more deep breaths here. Bring your knees together and then pull your knees in towards the chest. On your exhale, straighten your arms, allow your knees to glide away from your chest, and then bring your knees in, tugging them in close. Moving with the breath. On the inhalation, tug the knees inwards. Exhale, straighten the arms, allow the knees to flow out. A few more times. Now straighten the legs straight up to the ceiling. Lift your shoulder blades away from the mat. Tense everything. Exhale, soften and release. Inhale, extend, lift up. Exhale, bend the elbows, bend the knees, soften. Inhale, stretch and extend, lift the shoulder blades up. Exhale, relax and release. Few more times. Inhale, engage. Exhale, release. Inhale, lift the shoulder blades up, straighten the legs. Exhale, relax. Straighten and stretch the arms overhead. Then bend the knees in towards the chest. Lower the arms down to the sides. Re-extend the legs and circle the wrists and the ankles around in one direction and then the other. Flowing over onto your belly now. Bring your elbows back behind you, hands by the side waist, Bhujangasana. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, release. As you lift up, your elbows stay close to your side body. Engage your thighs, lift your kneecaps up away from the mat, and curl the spine up like a wave. Now extend your arms forward. Inhale, lift the arms, lift the legs, Shalavasana. Exhale, swim the arms back. Keeping your legs hip width, inhale, swim the arms forward, and exhale, lift up higher, swim them back. Inhale, extend, exhale, lift up higher. Inhale, extend forward through the arms, and exhale, swim them back. Now interlace the hands behind the hips, second step, and release the forehead to the tops of the hands, bend the knees, allow the heels to glide from side to side. Taking deep, slow, rhythmic breaths in and out the nose here. On every inhalation, expanding the belly big with your breath, expanding the lungs in 360 degrees. Extend the legs back behind you, press the mat away, shifting your knees together, come down onto the forearms, bring your shoulders directly over the elbows, coming into forearm plank. You can always curl your toes under and straighten your legs if you'd like more challenge. Otherwise, just stay here with me, knees on the mat, strong belly, keeping your shoulders and hips in line, your belly up and strong. Slowly bring one knee in and then the next, gliding your seat to your heels, forehead towards the mat for Balasana. Breathing into the back body now, feeling your breath extend into your low back and up the back of your spine. It is simply amazing what these few minutes in the morning can do to change your entire day. Rising up to hands and knees, heavy belly. Exhale, tuck the chin, round the spine. Inhale, pull the heart in between the arms. Exhale, tuck the chin, round the spine. Few more times. Look forward. Exhale, tailbone down in between the knees. Inhale, heavy belly. Exhale, rounding the middle of the back up. Coming up on the fingertips, step your left foot forward. You can always double up your mat to protect your knee, coming up with the hands to the left thigh. Relax your shoulders away from your ears. Inhale, stretch the arms up, level 2. Exhale, hands to the heart. Making sure your knee doesn't go farther than your ankle here. Inhale, extend the arms up, low lunge. Exhale, hands to the heart. On the inhalation, find strength, stamp down through the left heel. Exhale, allow the hips to soften. Inhale, strong belly, twisting open towards the left. Open your arms out broad like wings. And then relax and release your right hand to the outside of the knee. Fingertips now to the mat. Slowly straighten your front leg. Fold forward. Inhale, lengthen and look forward. And then exhale, slowly fold back forward over the leg before rebending into the front knee. Bring your left knee back to meet the right. Step your right foot forward in between the hands, and you can always double up your mat here to protect the knee joint. Bring your hands up to the thigh. You can always stay here. This is plenty. Make sure that tailbone is pointed straight down towards the floor and your abs are strong as you bring your hands to your heart. On your inhalation, extend up, press down into the right heel. Exhale, allow the hips to soften, hands to heart. Few more times here. Now open your arms out wide, twisting open to the right. Expand out wide through the fingertips. And in your own time, bringing your left hand to the outside of the right knee, your right fingertips towards your back leg, twisting open. Fingertips to the mat, straighten your front leg, fold forward, Ardha Hanumanasana. One more deep breath in here. We bend into the front knee. Curl your back toes under and bring your right knee back to meet the left. Spread your fingers wide. Curl the toes under, press the hips up and back, Adho Mukha Shavasana. Really spread those fingers wide and then press into the second knuckle of each finger and press into the thumb so that you take a little bit of the pressure off of your wrists. Long spine, pulling the hips up and back, up and back. Inhale, step the feet to the hands. Bring your fingertips up to your thighs, lengthen the spine, come halfway up. Exhale, fold, grab onto opposite elbows. Oh, I feel like this feels so good first thing in the morning. Allow your body to cascade forward and release out of the low back here. Fingertips or hands down to the mat, step the feet back. Gliding down, take a seat. Come all the way down onto your back, relaxing, Shavasana, just for 3 breaths. Bend the knees. Roll over onto your side. Press the palm into the mat to come up. I'm wishing you a glorious day, full of laughter. Namaste.